Merhaba everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Turkish Bulgur Pilavi. This isn't just any side dish, it's a staple of Turkish cuisine with a rich history and some surprising facts. Let's get started. Did you know Bulgur Pilavi has been around for thousands of years? Bulgur itself dates back to ancient Mesopotamia, making it one of the oldest processed foods known to humanity. Its longevity speaks volumes about its importance and versatility in the kitchen. Bulgur Pilavi isn't just tasty, it's incredibly nutritious. Bulgur is a whole grain that's high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's also lower in calories compared to rice and pasta, making it a healthier choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. The process of making bulgur is quite unique. Whole wheat grains are parboiled, dried, and then cracked. This method not only preserves the nutrients but also gives bulgur its distinctive texture and nutty flavor. This process also makes it quick to cook, which is why it's a favorite in many Turkish households. Bulgur Pilavi varies greatly across Turkey's regions. In the eastern regions, you might find it cooked with lamb or beef and flavored with aromatic spices. In the Mediterranean area, it's often prepared with tomatoes, bell peppers, and fresh herbs. Each region brings its own twist to this versatile dish. In Turkish culture, Bulgur Pilavi is more than just food, it's a symbol of hospitality and family. It's commonly served at gatherings and special occasions, embodying the essence of Turkish communal dining. Sharing a bowl of Bulgur Pilavi is sharing a piece of Turkish heritage. Bulgur is also an environmentally friendly choice. Wheat, the primary ingredient, is a hardy crop that requires less water than rice or corn. This makes Bulgur Pilavi a sustainable option, supporting agricultural practices that are better for the planet. One of the reasons Bulgur Pilavi is so popular is its ease of preparation. Unlike many grains, bulgur doesn't require extensive cooking. A quick soak or brief simmer is all it takes to have a delicious and nutritious dish ready to serve. Bulgur Pilavi's versatility is another reason for its popularity. It can be served hot or cold, as a main dish or a side. It pairs wonderfully with meats, vegetables, and even yogurt. This adaptability means you can enjoy it in countless ways, making it a staple in Turkish kitchens. Bulgur production plays a significant role in Turkish agriculture. Turkey is one of the leading producers of wheat, and bulgur is a major product. The cultivation and processing of bulgur support local farmers and contribute to the country's economy. While Bulgur Pilavi is deeply rooted in tradition, it has also found its place in modern cuisine. Chefs around the world are incorporating bulgur into their dishes, from salads to gourmet mains, appreciating its texture and nutritional benefits. Bulgur Pilavi has often been a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness in Turkish history. During tough times, its long shelf life and nutritional value made it a crucial food source. It's a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of Turkish cuisine. In many Turkish households, Bulgur Pilavi is traditionally paired with fermented foods like yogurt or pickles. This combination not only enhances the flavor but also provides a probiotic boost, promoting gut health and overall well-being. Bulgur Pilavi has even found its way into Turkish literature and folk songs. Its presence in stories and music highlights its cultural importance and the fond memories associated with it in Turkish society. While Bulgur Pilavi is a staple in Turkey, its popularity has spread beyond the country's borders. It's now enjoyed in various forms across the Middle East, Mediterranean, and even in Western countries, where it's appreciated for its health benefits and versatility. Bulgur Pilavi is particularly valued in diets focused on weight management. Its high fiber content helps keep you full for longer, aiding in appetite control. It's a perfect example of how traditional foods can be both delicious and health-conscious. Bulgur Pilavi is an integral part of many Turkish festive meals, especially during religious celebrations like Ramadan and Eid. It's often served alongside meat dishes and salads, completing the festive spread with its hearty flavor. Bulgur is a key ingredient in another beloved Turkish dish, stuffed vegetables, or dolma. It's mixed with spices, herbs, and sometimes minced meat, then stuffed into vegetables like peppers, tomatoes, and zucchinis, creating a delicious and filling meal. Bulgur was once a significant trade commodity in ancient times. Its long shelf life made it an ideal item for long-distance trade routes, spreading its popularity across different regions and cultures. While traditional bulgur is made from wheat, there are gluten-free versions available for those with dietary restrictions. These alternatives use gluten-free grains and mimic the texture and taste of traditional bulgur, making Bulgur Pilavi accessible to everyone. Bulgur is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. These antioxidants contribute to overall health by reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. The high fiber content in Bulgur Pilavi not only keeps you full but also promotes healthy digestion. Digestive issues like constipation. Bulgur has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those managing their blood sugar. The nutrients in bulgur, including fiber, magnesium, and iron, support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, improving blood pressure, and enhancing overall cardiovascular function. Because bulgur is low in calories and high in fiber, it's a great food for weight loss. It helps you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight management. Bulgur is packed with essential minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. These minerals are crucial for various bodily functions, including muscle function, oxygen transport, and immune support. Bulgur is a key ingredient in Turkish salads like kisir, where it's mixed with fresh herbs, tomatoes, and pomegranate molasses. This salad is a refreshing and healthy option, showcasing the versatility of bulgur in Turkish cuisine. Bulgur production supports sustainable agriculture practices. Wheat, the primary ingredient, is a crop that can be grown with fewer resources, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Bulgur's popularity extends beyond Turkey, influencing neighboring cuisines in the Middle East and the Mediterranean. Dishes like tabbouleh and kibbeh highlight how bulgur has been embraced and adapted across different cultures. The history of bulgur and its use in Bulgur Pilavi reflects the rich culinary traditions of Turkey. Its journey from ancient times to modern kitchens is a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. Bulgur is easy to store and has a long shelf life, making it a pantry staple. Properly stored, it can last for months, ensuring you always have a nutritious ingredient on hand for quick and easy meals. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of Turkish Bulgur Pilavi. I hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts about this ancient and beloved dish. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.